Do you feel like you have no motivation in you? It's as if you lack some fuel, some will, some desire that would push you forward towards the goals you set. Where is that motivation? Like, we have a goals, but why is it constantly difficult for us to do what we should be doing in order to fulfill these goals? How to revive motivation? You can't have motivation only if you don't look for it, because absolutely everything around you is a source of motivation. Literally everything. The only question is, do you want it enough? If you have no money, your family is living paycheck to paycheck, the end of your studies is slowly approaching, the 9 to 5 is approaching, knocking on your doors. How can that not motivate you to at least try to make your first dollar online? When you see a boring, passionless, boring couple on the street who don't like each other anymore, couple on the street who can't stand each other anymore, they have to fight and bicker even in the street. How does that not motivate you to be a version of yourself that deserves a much better quality person by your side than them? When you look at yourself and your body, how can that not motivate you to be more often in the gym? Even the fact that you have no motivation can be a motivation by itself if you think about it. And I will tell you now why you have no motivation. Because you are not even fully aware of what awaits you if you do not do your task that you are supposed to do. Do you know why I'm making this video right now? It's 11 PM, I am tired, but I saw a show on TV where a woman stands next to automatic track, older woman, and I thought how she works 8 hours a day, how her legs hurt probably, how she has maybe 3 weeks off a year. That immediately made me record this video because I know I should do this task in order to be free in the future. Become aware of what will happen if you don't do the work you should do, and become aware of what will happen if you do the work you need to do. Always remind yourself of it. Keep that in the back of your brain. Become aware and motivation cannot not exist. It must be born. First link in the description is my Discord, so if you like my work and my content in general, please join us because there I post a lot of lectures about self-improvement and mental health. See you there.